Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily create a partition on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's get started. First, we need to open Disk Management. Right-click on the Start button at the bottom of your screen and choose Disk Management from the list. As you can see, I only have the C drive here. To create a new partition, I'll shrink the C drive. Right-click on it and select Shrink Volume. Windows will check how much space it can shrink. Once you see the box, type in how much space you want to use for the new partition, then click Shrink. After shrinking, you'll see unallocated space. Right-click on it and choose New Simple Volume. The wizard will guide you. Just keep clicking Next. Pick a letter for your new partition, like D or E, and then click Next. And then select Format this volume. Keep the settings as they are and click Next again. Finally, click Finish, and Windows will create the new partition. Now you can store files on your new partition. That's it. You've successfully created a partition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.